Let's discuss about the first type of determiner, that is articles. A, an, and the. A, an. Both of these, the short form of, we can say condensed form of this is we can say one, and the means this, that, these, those. That means a and an are used for singular noun, whereas the can be used for singular as well as plural noun. As this and that, you know well, this and that are used for singular and these and those are used for plurals. If we talk, let us discuss about the difference between a and an. You all are well aware that there are 26 alphabets in English. Out of which 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U. And we are to go for these sounds. There are some you can say nouns which start with these words and give the same sound. From with which alphabet they are starting, they give the same sound. For example, boy, a boy we make use of. Elephant, it is starting with vowel, giving vowel sound, so an elephant. But there are certain words in English which start with consonant but give vowel sound. Some words which start with vowel but give consonant sound. Let us discuss these words. Dash, honest, man. It is starting with consonant but it is giving O, means vowel sound, so we make use of an honest man. An hour. But certain certain words will start with vowel but still give consonant sound. European. It is starting with E, which is a vowel, but it is giving Y sound, so we make use of a, European. University. No doubt it is starting with U, but it is giving Y sound. You may say that U is also a vowel, but still Y, here Y means consonant sound. You can say U sound it is giving, which is consonant. So we make use of a university, not an university. U stand for U sound, not Y sound. Okay. Let us discuss about some more example. Take some more example. Dash, cell phone. We make use of a cell phone. Dash, doctors. See, this is plural. A and an are used with countable, singular nouns. And in this sentence, doctors is countable but still it is plural. So we don't make use of any vowel, a or an before it, any article before it. Then next is dash, air. As we cannot count air, so we don't make use of any article here. Again, dash, sugar. Sugar is again uncountable, no article. Dash, Rohan. Rohan is we can say special name of someone. Again, we don't make use of any article before it. Now let us discuss about use of article the. The is used before superlative degree. For example, he is the youngest boy in our group. Okay, so we don't make we make use of the before it, as it is the superlative degree. Next, we make use of article. We can say before adjectives which represent the whole class, or we can say group. The rich should help the poor. Then next is third, we make use of the article before the names of oceans, rivers, directions, the Pacific Ocean, then we make use of the article before the names of newspaper, the Times of India, before the name of countries which are in short form abbreviation, just like USA. So we make use of the USA. Then we make use of the article before the names of some common nouns which are unique. Just like we can say the earth, the sun. Then we make use of this article before holy books, the Ramayana, before the name, before some common names, nouns which represent the whole family. You can say the Guptas, the Sharmas,